Hello everyone, I'm about to show you how to trade boom and crash indices using these tools. Before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome. Subscribe, give us a like, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next in the upcoming videos. You can find the links to join our Telegram community and also download the files for free. Now let's get into it. To install, we will use the same procedure we normally use. First of all, click on the File menu. Scroll down and click on Open Data Folder. Then double-click on the MQL5 folder. Finally, open the Indicators folder. Now we will locate the files and extract them so that we can copy and paste. Now we will have to move the files into the Indicators folder, located in the MQL5 folder. But I want to keep the files organized, so I will create a new folder so that we can easily locate the files after installation. Now I will name the folder and open it. Now I will select all the files to be copied. Now copy and paste them into the new folder. We're done with the installation. Now the File Explorer windows can be closed. Now, let's go to the MT5 platform and refresh our indicators so that the files will be updated. As we can see, our files are now here. Let's quickly add them to the charts. We have successfully added all our indicators. Now I will describe the functions of the indicators. The first indicator will show our buy and sell signals with a blue dot appearing below the candles to indicate when to buy. It also indicates when to sell, marked by a red dot above the candles. The next indicator is the support and resistance level indicator, which displays significant support and resistance levels. Resistance levels are illustrated with two pink lines, while support levels are represented by two blue lines. Finally, this is the trend indicator, and it tells us the current direction of the market, which helps us determine whether to buy or sell. Now let me show you how to use them. For buy positions, wait for the blue dot to appear below the candle in an uptrend. Once it appears, you can enter the trade on the next candle with the stop losses below the candle's low. And when the red dot appears for a sell, you can close the trade. And for sell positions, wait for the red dot to appear above the candle. Once it appears, you can enter the trade on the next candle with the stop loss below the previous candle's low. And when the blue dot appears for a buy, you can close the trade. As we can see in the previous days, it is pretty accurate if you patiently wait for the signals to line up. Also, you can buy if the support level is being tested for the second time. When that happens, wait for the blue dot to appear. After it appears, enter on the next candle that opens. With the stop loss below the candle low and when the red dot appears for a sell, the trade can be closed. Apply the opposite for sell trades. Now let's open a different boom and crash pair and see if we can spot some setups. Now I will choose my black chart template so that everything can be visible enough, and then we can add the indicators. As we can see here, the trend indicator gave us the trend of the current market. This tells us to look for more potential sell trades instead of buy trades. So all you will need to do now is wait for a red dot, and then you can place your trades. So that is how to use these indicators, and they become more powerful when combined. So in summary, you can place trades using the red and blue dot indicator, in addition to the support and resistance indicator, and you can also combine all three. That's all for this video. Be sure to check the links in the description box to join my Telegram channel, where you can download the indicators used here and other free trading tools. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And don't forget to give us a like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.